Here we are back up at the fabrication shop, and we've got a 911 Targa over here that we're stripping back. So engine you saw last week, engine taken out down at the Rental HQ. What we're doing now is getting all the suspension parts off so that we can get it ready to put on a body jig so the guys can start work on metal work on that one. Over here we've got the 356. You've seen this gradually getting stripped, I guess, over the last couple of weeks. We're right down to bare metal on this. We're just working up the panels. We're going to be replacing, getting those ordered up so we can get this underway. And as we walk further down into the areas, we've got the Targa, wide-bodied Targa that Cornell's been working on. So there's probably about another 2 or 3 days worth of work left on this one, and then this will be down into paint. So not a lot left to do with this one. It's gone a lot quicker than expected, probably about a week early.
Yeah, hi, I'm Cornell. I work for Legal Design. I'm a panel fabricator. So here we have some progress on this 964. We are nearly done with panel. Just a couple more bits which needs to be repaired. The rest everything looks alright. Just a couple needs to be clean a bit and grind some spots that couldn't do when the car was on the jig. So hey, it's like 1 week earlier than I expected. Should be, since last time it took just 1 week and a half, something like that. So yeah, we were fast.
You can see this wide-body car that we've done has had its undercoat of Viper Green. So that's on, that's now ready to go into paint. So you can see we've got the chop car back in the workshop here. You saw previous to this video we had the Serck guys down. What we wanted to do is see, they wanted to see the car so we can actually work out where we put some of the cooling. So they've been here today to work that out so that we can get all of those bits put in place before we get it back down the road to get the engine in. Over here we've got the 72 Targa. You can see what we've done. We've got the silver now on the bottom of that, and again that's ready to go back into paint over the next week or so. So next week you should see a lot of progress on some of these cars. And we've got a really special video coming up for you in the not too distant future. We're working on, I think we alluded to, some 944 Safari cars. So the first of those is in paint at the moment. We're working on some suspension, raising that up, working with the guys at Nitron to do that. And we'll have a special video going up on YouTube which will show all of that build as it kind of comes out over the next 3 or 4 weeks. So tune in to watch that one. And that's another day in the life at Rin.